What's up guys, Mike from Rockville, and today we are looking at the best Par 50, which is a rechargeable par wash light with wireless DMX. This is an RGBWA+UV par light, which means all of the extremely bright 4 LEDs are capable of producing the colors red, green, blue, amber, white, and ultraviolet. It's available in 2 different colors of black and white. I have the black one here in front of me. Let's open this up and see what's inside. Okay, so here is the power cable and charger for the light. Really cool, we include a light clamp that can screw into the bottom and side of the light so you can truss mount the light. Here we have the light itself. And finally, we have the remote. Now this remote is super cool. It gives you a lot of functionality over picking different colors and different modes. So there's an auto mode, there's a strobe mode, there's a fade mode, and at the bottom of the remote, you'll notice a sound mode. So if I put it into sound mode and I talk really low, you'll notice the light doesn't really do anything. But as I raise my voice, the light starts changing like crazy because it's getting activated by sound! 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 Now moving on to the light itself, let's take a look at the back first. So we have our on and off switch, the port for plugging in for power or charging the light. Right over here we have an LED display with 4 different buttons to toggle through the different functionalities and controls of the light itself. Another really cool feature we have over here is a battery life indicator, which shows you how much juice your light has and when you'll need to recharge it, although you probably won't have to do that often because the batteries in this thing is a beast. It's a 4,400 milliamp per hour battery, which means that this light can last up to 15 hours for a single color on a single charge. We also make charging cases for our best Par 50, our best Charge 50s, which can hold up to 8 of these different lights and charge and transport them easily from gig to gig. Now this light is perfect for wall washing, which is why you see 4 legs over here for floor operation mode. And there's also this angle bracket on the bottom, which you can set to different positions to give you different angles of wall washing and stage effects. Now on the front of the light over here, we have our standard DMX in and our standard DMX out. But my absolute favorite thing about this light is its wireless DMX capabilities. Now over here, I have a wireless DMX controller that transmits a 2.4 gigahertz wireless DMX signal. It's very easy to connect the best Par 50 to a wireless DMX controller using the color sync technology. So on the bottom of the best Par 50, you'll see a button right next to the words wireless DMX signal. What you do with that is sync it up with the color on your wireless DMX controller. So what you do is you find a color you like. I'll choose blue. And then you're going to find the same color on your wireless DMX controller. And you'll notice they connect very quickly, and on the best Par 50, it's going to start flashing green. So now I have it in wireless DMX mode, so you can see I can control it wirelessly, so I have different colors: red, green, blue, white, amber, ultraviolet. And you can see this is a completely wireless connection, which gives me a lot of flexibility for where I put these lights in a room or on my rig. Another really cool thing about the wireless DMX technology is I can link up multiple best Par 50s to each other, or I can even link up this light to other lights in our lineup, like our Rock Wedge, our best Strip 60, and even our best Par 60. And if you're using it with a DMX controller that doesn't have wireless DMX technology, don't worry, you can always get a wireless DMX transmitter like our DMX-CT and our DMX-WTR. And once you have multiple lights connected, you can control them in master-slave mode, DMX mode, and even using the remote controller. Now, as I mentioned before, this light is great for wall washing. It's also great to illuminate DJ facades and totem speaker stands. And as I mentioned before, it's truss mountable, which means you can easily integrate it with other effect lights on your rig. As you can see, the best Par 50 is a super versatile light. If you're a DJ and you want to have a completely wireless rig and don't want any cables, you could grab a bunch of these and control them with the wireless DMX. Or you have a couple different rooms that you want to wall wash or uplight, with the best Par 50, that'll be perfect. Or of course, you're using this for stage design or big stage setups, you can use a bunch of these for really cool effects. So if you're looking for an extremely bright, long-lasting, and rechargeable par light with wireless DMX, look no further than the best Par 50 from Rockville. As always guys, I'm Mike from Rockville. I'll see you next time.